In the world of modern electronics, the line between a groundbreaking product and a complete failure can be, well, microscopic. It often comes down to a single perfect layer of paste, and getting that right, that's one of the biggest challenges in manufacturing today. So, we're going to take a deep dive into a machine built to solve exactly that problem, the SP-1200 semi-automatic screen printer. All right, here's how we're going to break it all down. First, we'll talk about the real-world challenge, the bottleneck that so many electronics producers face. Then we'll introduce the SP-1200 as the solution, and we'll really get into the nitty-gritty of its precision engineering. After that, we'll look at the hard numbers that back it all up. And finally, we'll talk about the company behind this incredible machine. So what's the big deal here? Well, as all our electronics get smaller and more powerful, the circuit boards inside them get incredibly crowded. The process of applying solder paste, which is basically the conductive glue holding it all together, becomes this huge potential point of failure. If you get it wrong, you've just created a massive traffic jam for your entire production line. And the stakes here are just incredibly high. We're talking about details that are literally smaller than a human hair. Any tiny imperfection, any little flaw can cause a total connection failure. And what does that mean? It means lost product, wasted time, and a serious hit to your bottom line. So this really is the million-dollar question for any manufacturer, isn't it? When you're playing a game of microns, how on earth do you guarantee absolute perfection? Not just once, but every single time, board after board. And that is exactly where the SP-1200 comes into the picture. It's more than just a piece of hardware. It's a purpose-built answer to that very question. It's engineered from the ground up to deliver on three key promises: rock-solid stability, impressive speed, and pinpoint accuracy. And here it is, the SP-1200. Just look at it. You can see right away this is a seriously robust piece of equipment. And that solid, heavy-duty build isn't just for looks. The entire frame is designed to be incredibly rigid and stable, which is the absolute foundation for doing ultra-precise work. These three things right here, they're the pillars of its performance. A stable system means every single print is a perfect clone of the last. Quick speed means you can push more product through, and high precision, that means you're ready to tackle the most demanding, fine-pitched circuit boards out there. Let's dig into how it actually pulls this off. So how does the SP-1200 achieve this kind of performance? To really get it, we need to pop the hood and take a look at the anatomy of its precision. This overview gives you a great sense of how every single part works together, in concert. From the control panel and the electrical cabinet down at the base, all the way up to the printing table and that double scraper system on top. It's a complete system where every single piece is designed with one goal in mind: precision. Now, at the heart of the machine, it's the brain really, is the control system. And the SP-1200 uses a top-of-the-line Mitsubishi PLC. This is a component that's known all over the world for its reliability and its performance in tough industrial automation environments. That PLC is the command center that controls every single movement, including the super precise positioning of the printing table and the scraper. You see, using a top-tier controller like this isn't just a nice feature. It's the very foundation that guarantees stable, reliable performance, job after job, day after day. Okay, let's zoom in a bit on the mechanical side of things. This right here is the two-blade or double scraper design. This system is absolutely critical for applying that solder paste smoothly and evenly across the stencil, which acts like a microscopic template for the circuit. And the payoff is immediate. This design leads directly to higher efficiency. The angle can be adjusted for different jobs, and the whole setup is designed to be easy for the operator to work with, which is a huge plus. Powering all that movement is a premium drivetrain. We're looking at a Correa SPG driving motor that's paired up with a delta frequency converter. Now, these are not just generic, off-the-shelf parts. They were specifically chosen for their quality and their ability to deliver incredibly consistent power and speed. And this is how all those high-quality components come together. That motor and the converter work in perfect harmony to move the scraper at an even, constant speed. It's that perfectly smooth, balanced run that ensures you get a flawless solder paste deposit every single time. No exceptions. Okay, so we've seen the high-end components and the smart design, but the crucial point is how all of that translates into real-world, measurable performance. So let's get down to brass tacks and look at the hard data. This table lays it all out, but let's zero in on the numbers that really matter: printing precision and repeat precision. Both are at plus or minus 0.02 millimeters. To put that in perspective, that is an incredibly small margin of error. It's exactly the level of accuracy you need for today's fine-pitch components, those tiny, tightly packed electronics that power everything from our smartphones to advanced medical devices. You know, a fantastic machine is really only part of the equation. You also need a partner who has the experience and the manufacturing scale to back it up and support you. At the end of the day, performance means nothing without reliability. And these images right here give you a little peek inside the Southern Machinery production facility. This clearly isn't a small-time operation. You're seeing rows and rows of machines being assembled, tested, and prepped for deployment. It's proof that they have the ability to deliver quality at scale. This quote, I think, really captures the company's whole philosophy. The goal here isn't just to sell a machine, it's to provide core technology that's supported for its entire lifetime. It's a commitment to a long-term partnership with their customers. So, after seeing the problem, the solution, and the proof behind it, the final question really is for you. Are you ready